Hello everyone, welcome to Toaster Concept. Today we want to learn how to identify and extract duplicate entries in a data set. Please note that we are not deleting the duplicate entries. However, we want to identify and extract the duplicate entries so that we can use it as a proof. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Let's begin the process. To check for duplicate entries, if your Microsoft Office is below 2021, you can only use COUNTIF function. However, if your Microsoft Office is 2021 above, you can combine filter and COUNTIF, which makes it faster. Let's try the first method by using COUNTIF. COUNTIF. Click the country column, specify the first cell, then populate down. 1 means this country appeared once in the data set. 2 means this country appeared twice. So if I had filter and click, let's exclude 1. Okay, these are the duplicate entries. This is United States, Indonesia. So let's use the other method. Equals to filter. Let me highlight this range, comma. I'll add a function called COUNTIF. Specify the range. For my criteria, I'll specify this range again. Bracket close. It's greater than 1, bracket close, enter. I get the list of countries that appeared more than once. Then another thing is, let's try to sort these countries. Sort, so I get them sorted. This is Brazil, Indonesia, Japan, and the like. So these are the duplicate entries. Then what if we want to see the countries alone? We don't want the population value, likewise the percentage change. So if I want to limit it to the countries alone, so I'll just change this C to A. So I have a list of countries. Another thing is I can add a unique function, so I get a distinct list of the countries. I can as well add COUNTIF if I want to count again. Specify the column, country column, then specify the cell. You can see Brazil appeared twice, Indonesia, Japan, Nigeria, and United States. So this is how to check for duplicate in a data set. If you have any observation, you can leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.